What's up YouTube? My name is Nas Worldwide and welcome to Utah. What's up YouTube? This is your boy Nas Worldwide, and I finally made my first YouTube video. So I just got back from my amazing road trip in Utah, and it was an adventure I will never forget. This video will be mainly based on cinematic landscape footage from my new joint I just filmed for you guys. So I'm going to start this video off at the Coral Pink Sand
so desperate on my knees to break. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to lay down. And I feel the spirit guiding, telling me not to give up. Hold on to every promise I've been praying for. Hold on to it.
guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button, as it motivates me to make more inspirational travel content in the near future. You can also follow me on Instagram at Nas Worldwide to check out my previous travel adventures. Okay guys, stay tuned as I plan to travel to my next country pretty soon. Thanks again.